Where I stand on the issues? First and foremost, we need tax cuts across the board for people and businesses. In April of 2013, Maryland lost approximately 6,000 jobs. Good news, we gained 2,000 government jobs. Bad news, that means we lost 8,000 private sector jobs. Businesses are leaving Maryland for more competitive business climates in Delaware, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. And now if you've been watching TV, they're about to leave for Texas. We can't get mad at companies for leaving our state or our country. We need to be competitive with neighboring states and countries around the world. We can't place such a high tax burden on businesses that they're forced to leave. Private industry is what drives this economy, provides jobs for all of us. We can't grow our economy on government jobs, because for every government job we create, our tax dollars have to go up to pay that salary. That's simply unsustainable. Our governments have a responsibility to be fiscally sound enough that they can provide a competitive economic climate for businesses in this state to thrive. Maryland's a great state, full of tremendous natural resources and opportunities for people to raise a family and enjoy what Chuck Thompson called the land of pleasant living. But our one-party government is making it impossible to conduct business or live here affordably. We need to lower taxes on businesses to the level of our surrounding states. We kind of put ourselves behind the 8 ball. We may have to lower taxes below our surrounding states to bring the businesses back in. And hopefully they'll come in and hire hard-working folks who love our state and want to stay here if they can afford it. It's a travesty to have an unemployment rate rising over 7%, and that is double what it was 7 years ago when Mr. O'Malley took over. And that's in a state that has so many government jobs. Our state unemployment should be somewhere around 3%. But the real problem that is looming, that not many people are talking about, is the inevitable federal government contraction. With a federal debt of $17.6 trillion and climbing by $2 to $3 billion a day, DC will have to contract the size of government, or like Detroit, go bankrupt. The debt in Detroit on every citizen, including children, was $28,000. The debt of every citizen in the United States is $53,000. You think we're in trouble? If you think the furlough is bad, estimates are that the federal government will have to contract by 21% to balance the books and pay off the debt. With our dependency on government jobs here in Maryland, we're going to be devastated unless we can restore the private sector.